Hi, this is Stuart Talley. I'm the partner here responsible for the metal-on-metal hip litigation. The reason we're doing this video is to provide an update on some recent developments in the science related to cobalt and chromium and whether those substances in high doses can cause cancer or increase the risk of cancer. Just recently there was a study that was issued out of Finland, a scientific paper that was published, and in this paper, the scientists looked at individuals with metal-on-metal hips who had high cobalt and chromium levels and compared those individuals to people with metal-on-plastic hips. And this type of research has been going on for a while now, since there has been a huge increase in situations where people are having problems with metal-on-metal hips and the release of cobalt and chromium ions into their hip joint. So far there has not been any papers that have come up with any kind of link between an increase in the risk of cancer and high levels of cobalt and chromium in the blood. That doesn't mean that there is no link, it just means that no link has been proven at this point in time. In the most recent study out of Finland, the doctors looked at 10,000 patients who had metal-on-metal hips and compared them to 18,000 patients with conventional metal-on-plastic hips. What they found was that there was no statistical increase in the rate of cancer between the two groups. And this was a follow-on to a report that they had issued several years before, back in 2012, on the same issue. And so what we have is a concerted effort in Europe to monitor patients who have metal-on-metal hips and metal-on-plastic hips in order to detect this difference or an increase in the rate of cancer. And it's an ongoing process. Right now the science just isn't there, but as time goes by there may be a link that's discovered at some point in time. It's one of these issues where sometimes the effect of the toxin, which is the high cobalt and chromium, may not be realized for years down the road. So we have a link to this paper on our website, and if you click on the website you can find it. We also have several other scientific articles that discuss the systemic issues or the systemic problems associated with high cobalt and chromium levels. And if you have any questions or concerns about the issue, you can call us. We represent hundreds of individuals with different kinds of metal-on-metal hips, including Stryker Rejuvenates, DePuy ASRs, Biomet Magnum hips. If you have any of those kinds of hips, give us a call and we can answer any questions you have. You can reach us at the phone number on your screen, or you can visit us through our website where we have an online contact form, and we'll provide you with a free case evaluation and like I said, answer any questions you might have about cobalt and chromium toxicity.